Monsen and Jory. Come on, let's go. All my friends are dead. All my friends are dead. Most of my friends are dead. What? Oh, no, all my friends are dead. All my friends are in tables. What's in tables? I was never friends with that guy. Dang it. All my friends are hoaxes. I sort of isn't that. All my friends are undead. All my friends are dead. Everybody's sad. I have 3,284 friends. I just never met them face to face. All my friends are Phil. Thanks, Doug. All the ship we need is a friendship. Huh, Phil? Aww. Friendship. All my friends are obsolete. Slow jams. My only friend has recently gone missing. Hey there, little fella. Will you be my friend? I will or not. Colors tell me you got mono. This is my worst day. All my friends are expired on Tuesday. All my friends are half scurvy. Yar! All my friends are terrifying. I already made 2 children cry today. All my friends are so last season. All my friends are dummies. They sit next to each other. They're sad. Kissing that dummy. All my friends are puddles. All my friends are turkey fried. All your friends are delicious. Please stop buying my friends if you're just gonna slowly kill them. All my friends are followers. There's 2 together. Where are we going? None of my friends will speak to me because they died. All my friends will be dead in 24 hours. This job makes me feel so alive. Howdy. Sometimes I feel alone. Some days are long and hard. But when I look out into the world, I'm struck by the possible beauty in the of awe. Those billions, magnificent accidents that led us to where we are today. That led us paper planes and auto shells and tiny crooked smiles of children. I think about all the small fractions of the world. I have faith that my time will come. I have faith that someday a warm light will flood over me and I will find peace. He's knocking down that tree. I'm still not your friend. Dang it, that's an asteroid. Is he gonna get extinct? Thank you for reading the book with me. This has been story time and Hamlet and Friends. And I'm Viola the Cat. Love you. Do another book soon. Until next time. That was a great Viola the Cat. Thank you for watching. Make
make sure that you like or subscribe so you'll never miss an episode of Storytime with Hamlet and Friends.